Assalamu alaikum, class 8. How are you? Okay, I hope you all are fine. Today is Friday and it's your math lesson, and the topic is unit number 7. What is the name of unit number 7? Yes, linear equations and inequalities. So who will tell me what is meant by an equation and what is meant by an equation? What is expression? First of all, tell me what is expression. Different algebraic terms joined by addition, subtraction or multiplication or division sign. This makes an expression. Different algebraic terms joined with addition, subtraction, multiplication or division sign, so they makes an expression. And if this expression contains an equal sign, for example 2x plus 3 is equal to 4, so this makes an equation. This is an equation. So how will you define an equation? If an expression contains an equal sign, then this is called an equation. In an expression, if we have an equal sign, so this expression is called an equation. So keep it in your mind that expression does not have any sign, any equal sign, but an equation contains an equal sign. There are two other possibilities, but they are not in equation, they are inequalities. We will discuss them later. Today we will revise the types of equation: linear, quadratic, cubic, biquadratic, and then we will see how to solve these equations. Okay? First of all, tell me, is it an equation x plus y is equal to 4? Is it an equation? And what is this? 2x plus 6xy minus 3. This is an expression because this does not have an equal sign, and this is an equation because this have an equal sign. So this is the difference between an expression and an equation. Next we'll see the types of equation. Types of equation. First one is linear. What is linear equation? Equations having degree 1. For example, 2x plus 7y is equal to 4, 3x minus 2y is equal to 6, x over 2 plus y over x is y over 3 is equal to 4. These are linear equations. What is meant by degree? The highest power in an equation, the highest power of variable in an equation is called the degree of that equation. Okay? The highest power of the variable in any equation is called its degree. So what is the power of variable x? 1. And what is the power of variable y? This is also 1. So the highest power of this equation is 1. So this is called the degree 1. And this is the example of linear equation. Equations having degree 1. Got it? Next, see this equation. What is the power of x? 1. And what is the power of y? This is also 1. So the degree of this equation is also 1. This is also linear equation. Now see this. If I have xy plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. If I have this equation, what is the variable of power of degree x? Power of variable x 1, and the power of variable y is also 1. But they are multiplying each other, and you know according to the laws of exponent, these are multiplying. So we'll add them, the power will become 2. So in this sequence the power is not 1, this is greater than 1. So if we have the powers greater than 1 or 2, and the degree of this equation is 2. So this is called quadratic equation. What is this? Quadratic equation. Equations having degree 1 are called linear equations. Equations having degree 2 are called quadratic equations. Now we'll see cubic equations and then biquadratic equations. Cubic. Equations in which the power of variable is 3. Highest power of the variable is 3. This is called cubic equation. For example, x square y minus 3xy plus 2x is equal to 0. What is the power of x square y? 2 plus 1, 3. What is the power of xy? 1 plus 1, 2. This is 1. So the highest power is 3. So the degree of this equation is 3. And this is called a cubic equation. Next is biquadratic equation. Biquadratic equation. Can you give me an idea of what is meant by biquadratic equation? Yes, the equations having degree 4. X square y square plus x cube y minus x4 plus 3xy is equal to 0. The power of this variable is 4. This is also 4. This is also 4. But this is 2. The highest power in this variable is 4. So the degree is 4 and this is called biquadratic equation. Similarly, we can define higher degree equation, which is called degree 5 equation, degree 6 equation and so on. But in this unit, we'll see how to solve linear equations. What is meant by linear equation? Yes, the equation in which the power of variable is 1. So I am writing an example on the board and then I will solve it. I will explain the steps and then you all will solve the rest of the questions. So the first question is 3x over 2 minus x minus 2 over 3 is equal to 25 over 6. We will solve it step by step. The first step is to make the denominators same. Because fractions are present, so we will multiply each side by the LCM of the denominators to eliminate them. Because this is an fractional linear equation, so we will make the denominators same to eliminate them. 2, 3 and 6. What is its LCM? LCM 6. So 2 will be multiplied with 3 to make 6. We will multiply 2 with 3 to make 6 and this is 1, so we multiply it 1. Solution. First of all, we write the question as it is. X minus 2 over 3 is equal to 25 over 6. Now we make them, now we multiply 2 with 3 and this will also be multiplied with 3. Keep it in your mind that whenever we are multiplying something in the denominator, we will also multiply in the numerator. This is 3, so we multiply it with 2 and in the numerator will also multiply with 2. And this is 6, which will be multiplied with 1. Now multiply with 3 times, 9x over 6 minus 2x minus 2 times 4 over 6 is equal to 25 over 6. Now you can see that the denominators are same. Now denominators are same, so we will write in the common fractions 9x minus minus plus minus plus over 6 is equal to 25 over 6. Now, what will be the next step? We'll cross multiply this denominator to the right side. So it will become 9x minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 6 multiplied 25 over 6. This will be cancelled. And we are left with 9x minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 25. What will be the next step? Next step is to collect the like terms. 9x and minus 2x on the left side, the terms having variables, and we'll shift the constants to the right side. 25, this plus 4 will be shifted to the right side and it will become minus 4. 9x minus 2x is 7x is equal to 24, y minus 4 is 21. Now again, we want the variable x, but here we have 7x. So we'll shift this 7 to the right side and it will divide 27. The value of x is 3. This is the solution, but we are not sure whether we are true or not. So we'll check the solution by replacing the original equation. How to check? Write the question as it is. 3x over 2 minus x minus 2 over 3 is equal to 25 over 6. This is the original equation. Now replace the variable x in this. We put the value of x in this equation and then we'll see whether it is verified or whether this the variable is verified or not. Let's see. The value of x is 3 over 2 minus 3 minus 2 over 3 is equal to 25 over 6. 3 times 9 by 2 minus 3 minus 2 is 1 by 3 is equal to 25 over 6. Now we have 9 by 3, 9 by 2 minus 1 by 3 will make the denominator same. We'll multiply it with 3 and we'll multiply it with 2 to make the denominator same, and we have 27 minus 2 over 6. And in next step you will write 25 over 6, 25 over 6. Both sides are equal, hence the solution is verified, and you can say that the answer of this variable x is, the solution set of this equation is 3. Got it? Next, see another equation. Now I will solve a radical equation. What is a radical equation? Radical linear equation. Equations involving radical sign are called radical linear equations. Radical linear equation. What are radical linear equations? Equations involving square root, cube root, power 4, 5 up to so on. Equations involving radical sign are called radical linear equations. Linear equations involving radical sign are called radical linear equations. Now we'll see how to solve radical linear equations. So I have the question. X plus 2 is equal to x minus 4. How to solve it? Who will give me the idea? In solution, first of all, we will remove this radical sign. What is this? Cube root? No, square root. Yes, good. So, to remove this radical sign, what will we do? We will take square on both sides. Take square on both sides of the equation. When we take the square, x plus 2 whole square is equal to x minus 4 whole square. So this will be cancelled with each other, square root and square will cancel. And now we have a simple linear equation, x plus 2 is equal to x minus 4. Now this is a simple linear equation. What will we do now? We will collect the like terms. We will collect the variables on the left side and constants on the right side. X minus 3x is equal to minus 4 minus 2. In next step, x minus 3x will be minus 2x is equal to minus 6, and the value of x is equal to minus 6 over minus 2, which will be equal to 3. Now in this we will again check the solution whether it is true or not. So put the values of x in the original equation. X plus 2 is equal to 3x minus 4. What is the value of x? 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 3 times 2 minus 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 3x minus 4 is, so the value of x is 3. So 9 minus 4, in next step this is also equal to 5. As both sides are equal, so you can say that the solution of this equation is x is equal to 3. Got it? Now I am solving another example. Next example is cube root of 3x plus 2 minus 7 is equal to 2 minus What will we do? Now one thing should be kept in your mind, that the radical side should be radical expression should be on one side and all the other constants variables should be on the second side. So we will move this minus 7 to the right side. Cube root of 3x plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 7. In next step it will become 3x plus 2 is equal to 9. Now what will we do? This is a cubic equation. So what will you do? Yes, taking cube on both sides. Take the cube. G. Taking cube on both sides. Cube on both sides. Cube root of 3x plus 2 cube is equal to 9 cube. This will be cancelled. 3x plus 2 is equal to the cube of 9 is 243. 243? Let me check whether it is true or not that the cube of 9 is 2. Okay. Now this is a simple linear equation. So what will you do? You will collect the like terms. 3x will be on the left side and 243, 2 will be shifted to the right side and it will become minus. 3x is equal to 243 minus 2 is 241. What will be the next step? You will divide. X is equal to 241 over 3. 3 is not divisible by 241. So we'll put this equation as it is in the question and check the solution. Let's check it. First of all, write the original equation. I am again saying you have to check your solution by putting the value in the original equation. And don't shift anything left to the right or right to the left. No like terms will be collected, no nothing. You just have to put the values of x in places where it is given. Put the value 3 times 2, 41 over 3 plus 2 minus 7 is equal to 2. Now solve it and verify whether the solution is true or not. Okay. So today we read about the linear equations, types of linear equation, and how to solve radical linear equations. Now your diary is to practice 7.1 question number 1 and question number 2 in your notebooks. Okay, and if you find any difficulty, you can ask me. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.